Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Got a package in the mail. I ordered something that's on the way, so I don't know if this is that package early. I didn't go on and look on the internet. It's Amazon Prime. Not sure if this is what I ordered or is this something else. Oh, look at that. Oh, they're all individual. Oh, interesting. Well, what I have here is graphic card extenders for my mining equipment. Pretty cool stuff. So I've got 6 of them. And they arrived early. Good. So I've got 6 extenders for hooking up my computers. I know a lot of you are not interested in that. But what we got here, just for those of you who may be interested, is the ability to put multiple graphic cards on a single computer. Well, it must be cut. See, there's a card that goes in the computer and then plugs into here. And then your graphic card goes on there and you can create a mining rig. So that is cool. That's what I've been waiting for. Good stuff. Getting the wood stove fired up again after our trip away. That's a beautiful sight. Look at that. Pine wood, but hey, it keeps us warm. I got a little bit of firewood here. That was a wheelbarrow full, and then plus the kindling and what's in there now. But it'll get me through a short period. Few hours. It'll get some coals in the wood stove and get me through half the day. And I gotta go out and cut some more. Well, I ran out of gas. I hadn't filled up the chainsaw. We have minus 35 degree wind chill warnings today, and oh boy, I felt it out there. Hey guys, I got a package in the mail, and I had no idea who it was from. It was from came from Amazon. Shipped through Amazon Prime. There was no note or anything, so I opened it up thinking it was an order I had placed, and it's not. This is an electric foam cutting pen, which is curious. I'm really interested to know who sent this, but Melanie was excited when she saw it. I just wanted to share it. Sorry, bump the camera. It's got a power supply, plugs into the end, and you can cut foam with this. And how cool is that? So it's an electric foam cutting pen. How cool, huh? And I can think of 1,000 uses for that. Melanie especially got it. Like I said, she got excited. She said, I want to use that. So whoever sent it, thank you. It'll definitely be used here in the homestead. It's 30 watts, so I can probably run that on solar anyway. I'll have to see what the output voltage is. I never thought about it. But I bet. Nope, 7 volts. Yeah, I could always do something. But anyway, I could run that in the off-grid shed anytime on the solar power out there. So whoever sent it, no idea, but thank you. This will be useful here. Go change electric foam cutting pen. Cool, huh? Never even knew something like that existed. Well, whoever sent it, thank you very much. We're gonna enjoy this. Made a mess of my wood shop. I pulled the shelf away from the wall. I pulled all my boards away from over here. I'm gonna move that shelf over to another place. All these boards were leaning up against there. And this storage unit was up against this wall. And then I put together a wood stove. Now it's just bitter cold, so I don't have the camera out. I just grab it and show you what's going on and get it back in because it's just so cold. But I got the wood stove put together and I marked the wall where I'm going to do the cut. And I'm cutting around that 4 inches out on each side. And then I'm going to put metal plates to support the stovepipe. I'm going to make my own thimble basically and put a metal plate inside and out to support the stovepipe and keep the heat off the wall. And then I'll put some shielding out here as well. But I thought I'd be done today. It was just too cold to work. But there's the stove. Oh, I'm missing a leg. I got to put that back on. I have to find it. I think it's in here. But anyway, I got to get the thing for up on top and the leg. Put that back together. And then cut the holes through here. And I got the rest of the stovepipe for outside. And then I'll be able to work out here in the wood shop. But yeah, it was just, you can only do so much in this cold without going in for breaks, and that's how it is. So anyway, that's it for today there. Got another load of wood, and there's this, probably about 2-3 more times that much out there. But oh boy, with the bitter cold, it is cold. The wind chill is making it hard to breathe, and I thought I was going to have a heart attack hauling that in, but that's because I wheeled it through all the snow from out in the woods over here. It was a job, oh boy. But I got firewood for about 3 days. Hey guys, I'm building a frame for my computer. Remember the Frankenstein mining computer that I have? I'm building a frame to hold it and to hold a series of graphics cards. I know a lot of you are not interested in the computers and electronics aspect, but this is my daily life. Awkward in the house because everything's slippery and I don't want to do it on the rug. Anyway, making myself a frame, and I'm gonna get this Frankenstein in a safe little box, all nice and neat, to protect it from these guys. Hey guys, working on my rig. Just figured I'd share with you some of what I'm doing here. I got the frame coming together nicely. Trying to do some good precision work. First, now that I'm on camera, it's not so nice. Thought it was going to come along nicely. Everything up to this point went really well. Let's try it this way. Table isn't straight though at all, which doesn't help me any. Not at all. So let's try it this way. Yeah, the table is a mess. Let me see. Can you see where I'm at? Yeah, you can. Table's warped in the middle. It's one of those particle board type things that happens. It was that way when we got it, so hey. Yeah. It's really not perfect. Working on this table. Just a fraction off here and there. I could shave it, I guess, with a knife. Make up for it. I could, I guess, yeah. Yeah, it's awkward with this, everything being crooked. You need a flat work surface to work straight. I'll have to shave that a little. It's not perfect. It's really, really hard. Look at this table is not straight. Well, I'm trying. So now here's the rig. It's really light. This is the frame for the rig. The motherboard will sit here. The power supplies will sit here. The graphic cards are going to stand up here. Make sure I ground myself on something. They're going to mount up here. And yeah, it's going to work. Now, this one has a VGA card in the way, but the other ones I'm working with don't. And they're going to be perfect for this. What I have to do is just measure here. From here to here, the base of this riser card. So that's what I'm looking at. Well, I wanted to see how far that comes down. I need 7 inches from the base up to a power supply. So hopefully I'm doing my measuring right. And there is the general idea. The graphic card is supported above the motherboard on a frame on a riser card, and that gives me room underneath here for the motherboard and power supplies to fit down here. I'm putting in the base for the power supply. Table's crooked. Bad crooked. Okay. So there it is. Now tomorrow I'll put it all together. But there's the frame for my miner. So what we'll have here, the motherboard sits right in here, screws in place. The power supply sitting here, fasten in place somehow. Graphic cards sit up here, ground myself. Happily sit up here. Okay. They'll screw into here. And I've got room for 6 graphic cards on there. So it'll be a pretty decent setup. That's it for tonight, guys. That's it. It is 9:15 at night. Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Talk to you all later. And it's baby cat approved. Hey, baby cat. Oh, she thinks I'm mad at her. She was all wrapped up inside it. It was cool.